Bad accounting and business software don't just waste time and money. They slow down business growth, hinder expansion, and block effective financial decision making. Over the past few years, we have proudly trained over 200 businesses and more than 4,000 professionals on how to properly deploy and maximize accounting software usage, sharpen their data analysis skills, master business analysis and techniques, and successfully manage projects for real-world successes. Welcome to Computer Accountants YouTube channel, your #1 destination for expert tutorial, hands-on webinar, real-world case studies, product review, and insider tips on accounting and business software, data analysis tools and techniques, business analysis strategies, practical project management skills, and latest updates to keep you ahead in your career. Hi, my name is Onyeka Chinwozu, your trusted accounting, data analysis, business analysis, and project management specialist, dedicated to helping you build the tech-driven, future-ready career you deserve. If you are ready to sharpen your skills, save time, boost your business performance, and make smarter professional decisions, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss any of our expert content. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a high-value, tech-savvy professional. You are welcome.